Hello guys, welcome back to my page. So today's head wrap, you can see it on my head. It's a very simple one, and I think most people are familiar with it, but there is something different. There's something like this place I was able to achieve it. It's something different. So guys, I'll be showing you the way I was able to achieve that. I'll be rocking it to our next Owambe. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and watch step by step on how I achieve this. I won't take much of your time, so watch from the beginning to the end. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome to my page. And to my returning subscribers, hey, you know I will never take you for granted. Thanks for always stopping by. Thanks for your love, and I do love you very much. Thanks so much. So guys, let's go right away into the video, and we're going to learn something special today. So let's go. So guys, we are starting right now. You just pick your head wrap, your material, take it straight, please, like maybe two from the back, and place it on your head like this. All right, then you knot it. Please make one hand longer than the other, just a bit as seen in the video. If you can really see this material, you can see that it's not that lengthy. It's not a lengthy material, but if you have a very lengthy material, you can actually try this out as well. And I guess it's gonna give you a more beautiful look and very bold look than this my small material. Just lay your hands on it, try it, and give me feedback. Alright guys, so as you can see in the video, you can see that after I knot it at the front, I took the longer hand and I folded it as seen. Please focus your eyes and watch. Alright, so after that, I just use a smaller one to secure it at the middle like that. Then I tuck it in at the back and secure it with my office pin. Alright, so I'm working out to adjust this part now to give me that shape, right? So that is that, and I'll be working with the other parts. I'll just stretch it out like this, and I'll be needing my office pin to pin it down. Guys, if you have watched to this length, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, follow my page for more head wrap tutorials, comment, like, and share. All right, thanks for doing that. So guys, if you like what we do DIY on this channel, try your get it yourself. So kindly subscribe to this channel, follow this page for more head wrap tutorials. Alright guys, so I'm still working with that. I'm trying to stretch it out to give me that fun like look. So that is what we are doing now. You can see that this head wrap is actually simple and very fast if you really want to do it. So if you have any material, just lay your hands on it and try it out. I need feedback. Let me know if you are going to try this. Leave it in the comment section. Share, like for more head wrap tutorials. Okay, so guys, I really appreciate your time for watching this tutorial, and my next video I'll be bringing something super big again for us to learn. All right, so thanks for always stopping by. I really appreciate you. See, your guys blushing. All right, so see the back of the head wrap. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Take care. Bye.